Hello, Caroline. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good to see you. Thank you.
Okay.
How's it going? Good.
This is still working very nicely.
Thank you.
We want to change out the locks.
So I don't know if it's a door issue or the foundation, but it's
Doesn't close?
it's hard to lock, and then I bought new locks though, so I don't know if we need to do that.
If
This
you
is
want.
the house. It's like
Yeah,
old.
house. If you want, I can show you with laser.
Okay. Because
Like,
we really don't
hold on.
go in and out very much.
Do you think if you do just this, it'll make it nice?
Nice. Thank you.
Okay.
Xullas do'stlar, ko'rdinglar dogovorda. Eshik yaxshi yopilmayapti. Mana. Mana shuni almashtirib berishim kerak, mana yangisi bor ekan. Ha do'stlar, endi ko'ringlarchi. Вообще zo'r. Вообще zo'r do'stlar. Egasini chaqirib topshirib olamiz işte. Buni ikkovini ham almashtirib qo'ydim.
Nice. Hey, look at that. Gorgeous. Nice.
So much better.
What'd you do?
I have experience for 10-15 years.
Yeah.
I know how I do.
Wow.
Great job. Thank you.
Thank you too, brother. Mana shu ishni to'g'irlab beradim o'tgan safar do'stlar. Talak bosib qo'yasizlar. Hali ham zo'r ishlayapti ekan.
All right, cool.
I get it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye, Carolina. See you next new project. Hali qiziqlari oldinda do'stlar. Obuna bo'lmaganlar obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar. Hammaga rahmat. Sog' bo'linglar.